What's going on, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1966 Chevelle. It's got a 396 in it, power steering, front disc brakes, drum in the rear. This is a 4-speed car, and it's nice and clean. If you're new to this channel, definitely go hit the subscribe button. Check out MapleMotors.com for 100 detailed pictures, financing information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. This car's still cold right now. Just started it right up. Starting to warm up. It's that time, we're going for a test drive. A lot of y'all been asking what kind of equipment I use. This is a GoPro 7. If you like it, I'll put the link down in the bottom. That way you can check it out on Amazon. We'll look around the interior of the car here, kind of check everything out. Dash is nice and clean. Aftermarket gauge cluster under the dash here. Go ahead and start it up. Tach's coming up. Let's try our windshield wipers. They work. They stop when you got to play that game where you got to stop them right at the bottom. Oil pressure's coming up. It's kind of settling around 30. Our engine temp's just above 140. The amp meter's not working. I did test that. I unplugged the battery and it still stayed running, so the alternator is charging the car. Check the radio out. Radio does work, and it's blowing up top, pretty light, but it's blowing, so does not have AC in this car. Let's take off down the road. All right, guys, getting ready to take off down the road. I noticed we don't have any seat belts off in this car, so we'll just have to be careful. I'm gonna crack the window. It's a little warm today. Clutch feels pretty good. It's letting out almost instant. Like our speedometer's coming up, but it's not correct. RPM's coming up as well. Gas gauge is floating around. Car's going straight down the road. Steering's nice and sensitive. Noise is coming from the foreign piece on the steering wheel. It's not tight. Check our brakes out here. Brakes feel good. It's not pulling on the steering wheel or anything. Oil pressure still sitting at almost 50. It's letting out as soon as I come off the floor there. Try our turn signals out. They're popping up on the dash here. Turn signal light is out on the dash. When I get my outside shots, I use this pole right here. It's pretty awesome. You can buy it. I got it in the description link below, so you can check it out on Amazon. If you click on that link, it'll take you right to it. It's only like 20 bucks. It's a Tellison. Look at you. The legs come out right here and they lock in place. And I just set it right outside the car. Check it out. Driving around the parking lot, all the gauges are still good. I noticed my detail guy, or not detail guy, one of the guys that works up here at the lot, he checks all the fluids when we get the cars in, and he overfills the radiator all the way to the top. Keep telling him, don't look good for the videos, because if it don't have a little puke bucket for it, it's gonna pour out on the ground. But we just ordered a bunch of those overflow containers, and I will be installing one on this car. Let's take off down the road here. Figured I'd just tell y'all that because of the drive over shots. I noticed it was leaking out. I was like, man. Seems to be driving nice and easy. Everything's working right. The front end's nice and tight. Brakes feel good. I haven't even got down on it. I mean, I've just been driving it easy. If you push it a little over half throttle though, it'll start kicking the tires in second gear. So it's definitely got some pep. Haven't had a good opportunity. We're got a bunch of vans in front of us. There were some cops back there. Couldn't really do it in the video back there. I don't think they mind as long as you don't do it right in front of them. There should be a little strip over here on this road. I usually check the suspension. We're gonna hit it, check it out. I'll get on it a little bit and show you. It ain't gonna break. It's the main reason I do that in these videos. It's fun, but I also want to show you it's not going to break. Again, that rattling noise is this right here. Woo! A little bump in the road right here. Yeah, it started spinning right off the first of the second gear there. Of course, it's spinning through first too. Car feels great, it really does. Engine temp's like 170. Just have a low thermostat in it. Well, yeah, the light's changing now. up there in the front right just then. The car is sitting pretty low. I'm gonna pull up in here and do a walk around on the outside, check the outside of the car, point out any kind of flaws that I can see. That way you know everything. That's why I do these videos, so you get a real true ride along. Emergency brake does work and release is easy. I was using it a bunch over there in the parking lot to get my shot. So, but guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We're getting ready to do that walk around. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. You can check us out at weMainbsite.com. I do tell you everything that I use to make these videos. You can actually buy all the stuff. It's fairly cheap. The Telesen's like 20 bucks. Literally has a stand, a scope, and everything all in one. And it's metal. That's why I like it. I'm using a GoPro 7. I'm gonna put links to all this stuff below in the description so you can check it out. It'll just take you straight to it. Like I said, check out MapleMotors.com. Additional pictures, financing options, and shipping information. You can also see all of the cars we got up here. We've been picking up a lot, and actually this week we're adding about 5 new trucks to our site. We were running low and we picked up a bunch. See the big one towering over all the cars right there in the back. I do appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.